Hello again, guys. Let's see how to create some graphs to help to analyze our data and results better. So we can go to graph here or to graphs here. This is the last model that we created, which is model 6. I will click on graphs, then I got several choices. I will go to fitted actual plot, and we got also several options here by observation number, against IT, against advertising, and actual versus fitted. So select this one and let's have a look at it. You will see here that this is the data here, your actual data, and this is the regression model slope line. And see that there are some data are close to the slope line and some of them are far from it. So we can say that because our regression model power is about, let's say, almost 49%, 48%, you can find almost half of the data are close to this slope line. In other words, we can say the slope line can give some predictions, values which are close to at least 50% of the data, and the other are far away. So now if you look at this axis, you see predicted profit, and this is the profit. So we are checking the predicted profit against the actual profit. Close this graph and let's have another one. Let's go again to graphs, fitted actual plot, and let's see, for example, against IT. And you will see here that we got an IT on the x-axis and the profit on the y-axis. The blue ones are the fitted and the red pluses are the actual. So you can see that how the predicted data are close to the actual data. So you'll see some of them are almost very close to each other and some of them are far from each other. So this is only if we show the IT expenses. And now you can just check it one by one by yourself and try to interpret and understand these graphs. Let's minimize this window and you can come here to the view, click on view and select here graphs specified vars and select XY scatter. Click on this and you got a menu which is similar to the menu that we used to create the model, but it's different here because we got here x-axis variable and y-axis. So we want to show in x-axis, we want to show, for example, let's select the IT as an x-axis, and of course the profit will be the y-axis because this is our dependent variable. Click on the green arrow and click on OK, and you will see here fitting model based on the IT. So you see these are the scattered data, the real data, and the slope line. And also you may come back to the same window for model 6 and show both independent variables, IT and advertising. And to do that, you simply need to come back to graphs, select fitted actual plot, and this time against IT and advertising. And this is a 3D graph that's showing you both IT and the advertising expenses versus Y, which is the profit.